The latest collection of vertical garden design ideas 2023. Are you ready to take your gardening game to new heights? Join us in this video as we unveil the freshest, most inspiring vertical garden designs for the year 2023. Whether you're an urban dweller with limited space or a nature enthusiast looking to bring the outdoors in, we've got you covered. In this YouTube video, we'll explore the most innovative and stunning vertical garden designs that are sure to inspire your green thumb. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, these ideas will help you transform any space into a lush, green oasis. Join us as we showcase vertical gardening trends, creative DIY projects, and expert tips to bring nature's beauty to your home. We'll showcase a diverse range of innovative vertical gardening ideas, from chic hanging planters to cutting-edge living wall installations. You'll learn about the latest plant trends, eco-friendly gardening practices, and space-saving solutions that will help you turn any blank wall or unused corner into a vibrant green sanctuary. We unveil a fresh collection of innovative and captivating vertical garden ideas that will breathe new life into your outdoor spaces. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, these creative concepts will spark your imagination and transform your walls, balconies, and patios into stunning green masterpieces. Join us as we explore the latest planting techniques, space-saving solutions, and eco-friendly designs that are making waves in the world of gardening. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to transform your space with greenery. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest gardening trends, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode of our gardening inspiration series. Let's make 2023 the year of lush, vertical gardens.